Hi, I'm Josh, the Technical Director here at Refresh, and today we're going to look at our Zappi Charger. The Zappi Charger comes in both black and white, so you can choose which colour best suits your home. The untethered unit allows you to use your own cable and takes up less space on your wall. The tethered unit comes with a 6.5 metre permanently attached cable, allowing for quicker charging. Powered by 7 kilowatts, the Zappi comes with charging scheduling capabilities. You can take advantage of off-peak energy tariffs, such as Power NI's night shift tariff. The Zappi is the go-to charger if you have solar or are planning to install. It allows you to seamlessly manage all your renewable devices within one app. The Zappi comes equipped with 3 different charge modes: Fast Mode, Eco Mode, and Eco Plus Mode. The Zappi is unique for its eco modes, allowing you to utilize your solar energy. The Zappi charger's design includes an LCD screen and function buttons. This also allows you to lock the charger for restricted access. At Refresh NI, we offer flexible finance options on your Zappi charger and installation. Our team install chargers throughout Northern Ireland. If you're in the market, give us a call.